my newest project. Excited. I'm not going to customize this project at all. And so as you can see, like, what you can't see the whole of my table, but like what's here is basically what's going to be used. I don't know. It's funny because my last project had the whole things of buckets of fabric and all sorts of stuff. So I assume this is the, yeah, that's the music box. Okay, I think we'll need that for a while. Oh my goodness, look at all this. E, D, kitties. C, E. Okay. Oh, look at the little fishy guys. So cute. Okay. It's all our fabrics and stuff. I think this is what you're going to make the scratching posts out of. Oh, there's a little kitty. Oh, so cute. Flowery things. Okay. It's all the tiny little bits. That's our battery pack. It's pretty typical. That's all of our, where did our containers go? Okay. Oh, it may be kind of small. If that's the dust cover. Oh, I wonder. Okay, let's see what's in here. Whoopsie. So a little bit of clear plastic. Here's all our paper cuts, floors and such. It says they put the materials lists separate. Oh, there's cutouts, oh, a little bow, little fishies. Cute. Oh, so cute. And then, okay, our patterns. Make some grasses, it looks like. Nothing too extensive there. That's nice. Installation of dust cover. Oh, this must be the... There it is. Oh. This is going to be so cute. I'm so excited. Kitty cat paws all over. Oh. Catcafe garden. And the base and probably what, back wall or something. So that looks like the base. It's got white edges. So cool. Let's figure out what the first steps are and get started. Oh, that familiar smell. Okay, so it looks like, did I just get glue on my thumbnail? That's weird. You go like so, not. Okay. So I always stick the brush in way too Oh, you just have to do the actual fabric. Okay. So I'll make these guys too. Nice. These are really tiny. That's going to be super cute though. Alright, I guess we'll give it a shot here. I don't know about these. And that's supposed to go on the bottom, but it doesn't really cover it. So maybe I'll glue that in there and then like cut any excess off if I need to. Let's see. It's been pretty challenging to start off with. I don't like that you can see the little stuff in the back, but that'll be down low, I think, low enough that you won't be able to see it. And be careful not to press this down, because I like that they have a little poof to them. So where do these go? Oh, right in front, yeah. Oopsie. So I should say latte, Irish coffee, macchiato, espresso, something curly cat, doll cat, Herman, German? I can't tell what that says. That's really cute. So there's our first page of the instructions done, all done. Yay.